This is another sourcing adventure. We're going to a community sale today. As you can see, it's a very misty morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. This is another sourcing adventure. We're going to a community sale today. As you can see, it's a very misty morning, but we're going to go have some fun, hopefully find something to resell on eBay, Mercari, maybe Poshmark, although I'm not buying a lot of clothes lately. So with that said, let's get started. We are going into Grand Harbor, which is an upscale neighborhood. Sometimes it's hard to find vintage items in an upscale neighborhood, but hey, you never know. We're going to find out. I started out calling this video Saturday Sourcing, but I could have just as well called it the Day of the Dishes, because that's what I kept finding, that's what I kept picking up, and I thought, well, you know what I'll do? I'll use this as an opportunity to share with you a little bit about what I found out on some of these dishes. Whether I bought them or not, there's something to be learned. They wanted $100 for this set of Currier and Ives dishes. And while I didn't count how many there were, I did pass. But when I got home, I checked on eBay, and here's a set of 18 pieces sold for $103.99. So should I have bought them? Well, only if I wanted to ship them. I always suggest you do your research before you buy dishes. They do take up a lot of room. They're very heavy. Not the easiest thing to ship. When I looked at these light yellow dishes, I wasn't really sure what they were. When I got home, I did a little research and found out they're Federal glass, Madrid amber, and it's depression glass. I mean, I did think they were depression glass, but from the 1930s. So I went and checked eBay, and 10 of the sherbet dishes sold for $36.79. And as it is with a lot of dishes, it's the servingware, the larger pieces, that are worth the most. But here's a vegetable dish sold for $17.99, and the buyer paid $20 to have it shipped. And this pretty butter dish sold for $24 plus $13.95 shipping. So sometimes the serving dishes, the specialty dishes are the ones to pick up if you don't want to mess with shipping all the dinner plates. Look at this one. It actually has a little, it spins. That's very unusual. We just finished up the first neighborhood sale. I spent $19.50. Not bad. Several hours worth of fun for less than $20. I got some pretty decent things, which I'll be showing you. But on to the other sales. Let's get started again. Beautiful neighborhood. On to the next sale. As I said, I check out everything, and these were just Vine tabletops unlimited. Nothing really special. This false graph, I could not identify the pattern. I thought perhaps Canyon Ridge, but I really couldn't find anything with the brown bottom that these had. I really like these Citrus Grove dishes. I love the color, I love the pattern. I don't need any more dishes, so I didn't buy them. And I couldn't even find any comps for them. So can't tell you much about them, except Williams-Sonoma Citrus Grove. Bath & Body Works, nice little planter, no comps found. On to the next sale. This is Syracuse China, made in USA. I looked everywhere, eBay, replacements.com, could not find this exact magnolia pattern. This Sheffield Serenade pattern, made in USA, I did find out a little bit about this. In sold listings on eBay, I found 11 of the dinner plates, 10-inch dinner plates sold for $45. But there weren't a lot of solds on eBay, so I jumped over to replacements.com. I found quite a few on there and found that dinner plates were going for $7.99. Salad plates for $9.99, the creamer $9.99, and this large salad serving bowl for $79.95. So that's what I'm talking about. Sometimes it's these serving pieces that are worth the most. And a butter dish listed for $15.99. So check out replacements.com. It's a great website for research. Looks like they had some rain here. This Mayblossom Japan pattern from Cumberland Stoneware is very popular. I remember it years ago, and I see it quite frequently. I was looking at saucers, so I checked comps on eBay. 4 of them sold for only $6.01. Glad I didn't buy it, but I did jump over to replacements.com to take a look. Dinner plates are going for $7.99. But look over to the right. Look at the coffee cup. $19.99 for one coffee cup. So that's what to be on the lookout for, even though this isn't an official Bolo video. Little sugar bowl and lid, $13.99. Over to the right, a 12-inch serving platter, $19.99. And a 12-inch platter, $13.99. Oval covered metal mind you, roaster, $45.99. A casserole pan, also metal, $49.99. And a skeleton lid, $37.99. So I think where the money is on this pattern is in the, the roasters. Let's check a few more things out. Maxwell House coffee jar for instant coffee, if you remember instant coffee. Imagine all the dealers have been here already. These sound, $25. This is Noritake China from Japan. The pattern is Kent. eBay shows and sells a 68-piece set of Noritake Kent Chinaware, and it sold for $149.99. Boy, I think that would be really hard to pack and ship. I'm not ready for that. Let's jump over to replacements.com and see what they have. I'm not seeing any dinner plates. I see a salad plate for $7.99, bread and butter plate $5.99. The fruit and dessert bowl, $8.99. Let's scroll on down. This is a little bit different. Lugged cereal bowl, must be because of the handles, $13.99. Creamer, $11.99. Oval serving platter, only $15.99. And a gravy boat with attached underplate. I think that's a pretty good price, $23.99. So some of the pieces are worth a little more than others. Not surprised. Keep on watching here. I'm going to show you my haul for the day. And it's not dinnerware. I got home from my Saturday's sourcing in the community sale and a few other garage sales, and I'm going to show you next what I found. It's kind of a hodgepodge. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, but I didn't spend a whole lot. I think I spent less than $30 total. So let me go inside and show you what I have, what I'm going to list them for on eBay, and do a little research. Let's go. So here's what I picked up today for my Saturday sourcing. Some of these things are a little bit different for me, but it is new in package. This is an IKEA. I don't know if you can see the drawing behind here. It's a little organizer to hang in your closet for socks or underclothes. I got 2 of these new and packaged gift wrap storage bags, again to hang in a closet. There are 2 of them. So I paid $1 each on those. Ink cartridges, this is a partial pack of Epson, and it is expired, but it isn't that old. It expired October of 2019, and there's 4 in here, and I paid $1. So typically ink cartridges can sell for a lot, so I'll be researching that. This is a vintage jar, got it for 50 cents, and it's Maxwell House. I don't know if you can see here, it says Maxwell. Try to get over here, Maxwell, and it says Maxwell House down here. It's just a glass jar. I don't expect it to go for too much. I'll probably try it at $14.95, and of course everything I list on eBay is make offer. And then it seemed to be the day for shower curtain rings. I was finding them everywhere. These are those little hot and cold. I don't know if you can see, it has a C. Has a C on it, it has an H on it. They have a little chipping, but I think that adds to that shabby chic look. So I made sure I had all 12. That's important. If you're going to buy these, make sure you have all 12. Paid 75 cents. And these are leaves, metal leaves. Paid 75 cents for 12 of those. And then these little animals, and these are from Kohl's. And there's an elephant and little tigers. So I got 3 sets. Very unusual. One piece of jewelry today, this little kitty cat pin. It's fairly small, but she wanted to give it to me for free. I gave her 50 cents for it. I don't know why she wanted to give it to me for free. I guess because I liked it, but I didn't feel right about that, so I gave her 50 cents. Hey, do you recognize that face? Do you recognize that artwork? This is one of those Anna Lee. These can be worth a lot of money. I haven't researched it yet, and I can see here it has a little dark spot right there. Maybe the little hair needs to cover it up. Some napkin rings. I prefer to get a set of 8. This is only a set of 4. It's from Target. Probably put these at, $14.95 with make offer. The seashell, I've done well with seashell theme, and this is just a carved wood, distressed, has some real seashells hanging from it. I got this for $1, and I'll probably, I bet after I research that, I'm not even sure I'll find one like it, but I think I'm going to put it at $19.95 with make offer. So I picked up these 2 plates, and it says $2. I have 2 of them. I paid $2 for both, so $1 each. These have fake crazing on them. These are not old, they're not vintage. Do you see that crazing? That is manufactured, it is not real. This does have some metallic gold on it, and there's really not much on the back as far as any brand. I really don't see anything. They're not food safe, they're just wall plates. And here I go again with the little cherub babies. These 2 cherub babies, they are so heavy. I wish I could tell you how heavy they are. I haven't weighed them yet. But look how cute. Look at that face. There's just a little bit of distressing on them. They had $5 on them, and I offered 3 because of the little bit of chipping, and they took it. And then this vase, it's kind of simple, but I thought it was pretty, looked well made. I thought FTD, well, guess what? It is FTD, but it's Laura Ashley Home, a gift from FTD. And another seasonal items, these little pumpkins. I picked up, let's look here, it's Cracker Barrel. And look, it's not your typical pumpkin. These are a light aqua with the off-white. It's textured here. I thought they were really pretty. And I paid only $1 for this set. And these will probably go at either $19 to $24.95 with make offer. And this red case, who do you think it's by? And you see here, this is an Estee Lauder little zippered case. Has a really pretty handle on it. Excellent inside and out, and I think this will sell well. I've sold them sometimes for $20 to $25, even though sometimes they're a free gift with purchase. So I picked this up. It's good for all year or for Christmas. I'm gonna go around again, around my light. I did pick up a little bit of clothing. This is a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I don't normally mix the clothes in with this, and this is really cool. I thought this was really, really nice. Looks vintage. It's not vintage, but it has that look. And this is a woman's quarter zip sweater. Paid $1. And okay, this is Christmas, but come on, isn't that cute? Look at the little wiener dogs in sequins. Really soft, real cuddly kind of shirt. And I got that for $1. Yeah, probably should have been in my Christmas haul, but too bad. I slipped it in here. And what else? What else do I have under here? An apartment 9 shirt with sequins all over it. And this men's Nautica, paid $2 for it, and it's a full zip vest with a little zippered pocket. Not showing it too well here. So I did find a few pieces of clothing today, but not too much. I have lots of clothing to list, so. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up and invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to receive notifications on future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon.